Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2015 Chevrolet Camaro 2SS, Bumblebee colors, yellow and black, reminiscent of the movie Bumblebee, you know, the Transformers movie. So in the trunk here, lots of room, a fold-down rear seat, so you got some extra space under there. And have a look in here in the seams. It is a fabulous looking car, just beautiful. We'll close the trunk and I'll show you that it has the raised spoiler, pedestal style spoiler done in black. And the SS is red because it's got the RS as well, which is the halo headlights, some other roof drip trim, and the unique wheels. So good looking car from the back. Have a look around here, and we've got the painted black wheels. They look absolutely fabulous. We put brand new Goodyear Eagle GT F1 tires on it, so they're awesome, ready to go. Brakes look fabulous, painted rotors, painted calipers, and it's got the Brembo brakes as well. On the interior, you've got the perforated leather seating, the SS embroidered into the back of the seat headrest. You've got a power passenger seat for comfort. And let me just have a look in here, have a look in the door frame as I'm opening up. Yes, the books are there with the car, so we're good there. Boston Acoustics sound system, baseball stitching on the leather, just a beauty. Ambient lighting that lights up in the doors and the dash, the whole 9 yards. Beautiful looking mirrors with the heated mirrors and fully electric and adjustable. Here's our front wheel, no curb rash, no issues, just absolutely fabulous. Under the hood is the 6.2 liter V8 engine, 428 horsepower, made it to a 6-speed manual transmission. Fabulous car, goes like mad. You could do some mods to this if you wanted to, but none are done. Good news, it is unmolested. So let me close the hood so that you can see that that's a flat black hood. So a matte black wrap on that with the air inlet done in black as well. Super looking front air dam with the super low one. Just looks like a 1LE, but it is not. And here's our other front wheel, no curb rash, no issues. There's those big Brembo Camaro brakes in there, looking absolutely fabulous. And here's our other wheel at the back with the brand new rubber on it, ready to go and have some fun. On the driver's door here, we've got power windows, power locks, power trunk, Boston Acoustics sound system. You've got a driver power seat there with power recliner as well. And again, the SS embroidered into the headrest. This one's got the Alcantara or suede-like leather steering wheel, as well as the shifter column, and it's the flat bottom steering wheel, which is very cool when you're driving. So let's jump in and we'll fire this one up. It's got a rumble. Nice, nice, very nice exhaust. So over here we've got tilt and telescopic, we've got automatic headlamps over there, you've got your cruise control right there, our computer right here for vehicle information center, everything's there. Over here is our stereo and Bluetooth controls. Down here is our heads-up display, which is now in color on these models, so that's awesome. You've got different pages that you can run through and different height adjustment, the whole thing there. So here's our MyLink stereo, which has AM and FM, and you can play things from your phone as well. So that's all a great system right there. You've got heated seats both sides, and yes, they're both lighting up, so that's good. Good news there. And down here we've got the gauge package. Here's our Alcantara, even the suede-like shifter boot there, which is very cool. And 6-speed manual. A lot of fun to drive, gotta share with you. Just love it. Up here you've got garage door opener and the adjustment for your interior lights. Dual cup holders down here, and inside here you've got a line in and USB port. All very important when you're wanting to have some fun and put some tunes on. So let's jump out, have a look in the door frame as I'm getting out. Super looking car, just 20,000 kilometers. And there it is from the front with the lights on and running, just fabulous. You can see the halo headlamps. Beautiful car. The exhaust sounds fabulous. Listen to that, folks. Wow. Nice rumble. Backup sensors along with the backup camera. And there you have it. That is a 2015 Camaro 2SS RS in lemon peel which has the Bumblebee colors, the black hood, the black spoiler, the black wheels. Great looking car. It's here and available at MunroMotors.com. Hey, come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.